How to use Paysafe Card on Brawl Star. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Paysafe Card to buy gems in Brawl Star. So first things first, open the Brawl Star app on your phone. Make sure you are using the latest version of the game for a smooth experience. Now, tap on the shop icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll all the way to the right to find the gem packs and coin packs options. Let's say that you want to purchase some gems. Go ahead and tap on the gem pack that you want. You will be asked to enter your payment details here. If the payment page doesn't show up, simply exit the game and head to your App Store or Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen, then select Manage Payments. From there, you can add your Paysafe card as a payment option. Once your Paysafe card is added, go back to Brawl Star, select the gems that you want, and complete your purchase. And that's it. You have successfully used your Paysafe card on Brawl Star. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.